Today is misbehaving. Okay guys, I know why it was doing like that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Moyo, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing my new Oraimo power bank. But before we get into this video, I would like you to know that I've heard a lot of good things about this power bank, and that's why I bought it. And also because, guys, everybody has been oppressing me in this house with this power bank. Everybody in this house is using 27 or 20,000 mAh, and before now I used to have 10,000 mAh, but something happened and my power bank got lost. So my mom gave me some money and I added extra money to get this power bank. So I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and without any further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so first of all, guys, this is what it looks like. I didn't buy it from Jumia, I bought it from a store. I actually asked my brother to get it for me, and I bought it for 9,000 naira. This is what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. I think Baba is their ambassador. So guys, this is what it looks like. It says Oraimo smart accessories powered by fast technology, enable fastest charging for any device, high capacity, dual USB output, 2.1A fast charging, SOS lighting alarm, anti-scratch texture, and it says 20,000 mAh type C and micro USB dual input power bank, 365 days warranty from Oraimo. It said it's suitable for a traveler, so I'm going to open it and see if it is actually suitable for travelers, and most especially for people that go out. Like if I'm going out, I just want something that I will enter my bag, not the one that I'll be struggling to carry power bank. I think I'm just going to remove the nylon, so as you can see it's sealed like this. Oh, where am I going to open it from? I'm going to open it from the top. Oh, this place is actually sealed, so I think I'm just going to open it from underneath here. It comes with this kind of seal right here. This one doesn't want to open. Ow. 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 I'm going to use this pen to help me open it up. Oh wow. Look at this. Hey guys, look at this. See how fine it is. So first of all, guys, it comes in this black packaging, like a plastic container. I don't know if it is supposed to be called a container, but this is what it looks like. And there is a USB cord, very short, and then first of all, my first impression about this power bank is that it is not as heavy as I thought. And the good thing about this power bank is that it has a flashlight. My 10,000 mAh that I was using does not have a flashlight, which is something I really like about this. And secondly, it has two ways you can charge. They said it on the body of the power bank before I even opened it safe, so which is good. Let me test it. The flashlight is working. What is this one? See the way it's misbehaving. Okay, that's gone off. So it has a welcome guide.
2 hours later.
So guys, I'm just going to read this to you so I can see. Please read this guide carefully before using the product. It has this torch LED touch and SOS lighting alarm. I think that's why it was coming up and on. I don't know why it was doing what it was doing. They said it is SOS lighting alarm. It said main button. This is the main button right here. Press to see the remaining capacity. Okay, if you press here, we can see the remaining capacity on here. It has really small tiny dots here that you guys can see. This is the LED indicator light as well. Check the power panel, blah blah blah. How to charge your device. Activate LED touch and SOS lighting alarm. Switch on the touch. Okay guys, I know why it was doing like that. To turn on the touch, you're going to press it twice. 1 2. Then SOS lighting, save our soul. SOS is save our soul. Yeah, SOS. Then you still not do it again twice. 1 2. Then to turn it off, we are going to press it twice again. Okay, so double press the button to switch on the touch, then continue to activate SOS lighting alarm by double pressing the button again. Okay, so if you double press it at once, that means you're turning it on. If you double press it the second time, you are activating the save our soul lighting, and if you press it twice again, you're turning it off. So note that. Then activate low current charging mode. You have to press this one for 3 seconds, maybe if your current is low or something. And normal charging mode, you have to press it for 3 seconds again. Please guys, read your manual before you start using your power bank. And then it shows us how to charge our new power bank. Yeah, there's just here, there's like how to use your power bank, what to do, what not to do. There's also a warranty certificate here, so you guys should go ahead and fill it. I'm also going to fill it. Somebody is using blender in this house, so that's why there's a lot of noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yes, that's it about the power bank. I think I really like it. Is it a travel size? Kind of, you know, it's slightly bigger than the former one that I was using, but yes, one can still carry this if you are going for a journey or you're just going out and you need something to plug your phone so your phone does not die on you. So yes, I like it. It is not the most portable, but it is very okay. So yes guys, that's it about this power bank. It lasts very long. I've seen it before, that's why I went to buy it. So if you guys are going to buy it, please let me know in the comments what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Bye guys.